Welcome today for HUAWEI Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification sound section, tap there. As can you see, we got selected the guitar right now. Here you can select your custom sound if you got some music on your device or download it from the internet, for example, and just by tap there. And here, as can you see, we got this one, but I'll go just with the default one. And now just by tap on one of these sounds, you can just select one of them. For example, I'll go with this joyful. Now we should go back to see the changes, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our notification sound on our Honor 8X. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.